Welcome guys! Today we are going to talk about a super simple ChatGPT prompt to get you a list of 500 plus SEO long tail keyword optimized blog post ideas that you can use as a database for creating content for your e-commerce business. Lucky for you, I have spent several hours testing this to get the best possible results out of the simplest prompt. So you can just copy and paste what I'm about to do here and get this entire list in minutes. Okay, let's dive in. This is what the list is going to look like. As you can see, I have got hundreds of blog post ideas here that are optimized for web searches. So these are going to be things people are typing in when they are looking for something related to my business. Now, the first step of this process is really simple. You've probably already done this on your website when you had to create categories for your products. So my business is Ellie's Party Supply. We sell primarily balloon garland kits. So I know already that we are going to need blog posts related to balloon garland kits and how to create them, what they are, but our customers fall into several categories. And on our website, you can see that this is what we use for our menu. So you can search here by different themes, by occasions. So to start this process, I just took these occasions because these are the most popular related search terms that people are going to use when they're starting to plan a party and they might be considering adding in a balloon garland. So what I did here, I created this spreadsheet and I just made a column for each of those main milestones or events that somebody would be searching for in my business. What you want to do for yours is go through your site and pull out those major topics related to your products. Okay, so now we're going to go into ChatGPT, and this is the fun part. So here I created the prompt that we're going to use. I'm going to paste this prompt in and explain it to you in ChatGPT. So we're going to say 100 blog post ideas related to, we're going to insert our topic. So I'm going to pick one of my topics, which was bridal showers. Use long tail keywords related to, insert subtopics. So for example, 100 blog post ideas related to bridal showers. Use long word keywords related to ideas, decorating, hosting, or planning. So I came up with adding this because I was finding that I was getting a lot of outputs that were not really closely linked to search terms that people would use if there was a possibility that they would want my product. I found that if I give some specifics of these subtopics related to my products, so I know that if people are looking for ideas, if they're going to be decorating because I sell decorations, if they're going to be hosting, then I know that they're the person who is likely buying the decorations. And if they're planning, again, they're likely to be the right person to be buying my products in the future. So you want to think of some keywords, and you can play with this. Like, you can send this and see what it comes up with, and you can adjust based on the results. But this is what I found works best for my business, these keywords. So I'm going to send this, and ChatGPT is creating a list of 100 blog post ideas instantly. You can see here it got cut off at 63. That's just because it can only send so much text at once. So you're just going to write continue, and it's going to go ahead and give you the rest of those ideas. So that's amazing. So let's take a look through and see what it came up with. 10 unique bridal shower theme ideas, tips for hosting a budget-friendly bridal shower, the ultimate guide to bridal shower games. From my previous SEO keyword research, this stuff is right on target that it's coming up with here. DIY bridal shower decorations, see that would be absolutely perfect because we sell DIY kits. So we could show a range of different types of decorations and happen to sprinkle in DIY garlands. Hosting a virtual baby shower. This was, ChatGPT's information is up until September of 21 at the time of this recording. So before that, virtual baby showers were still very hot. How to plan in a small space, bridal shower menu ideas. So I gotta say, the ideas that it's coming up with are really good, really, really good. And, if you've been in your business long enough, you can take a look through this and kind of know whether these are good ideas or not. And I will tell you again, these are really good blog post ideas. Now, these are topics, obviously, they already include long tail keywords because we asked it to include that. So from here, you can take any of these and then you can ask ChatGPT to give it specific guidelines for reiterating on title ideas that might be more SEO optimized, or that might be more clickbaity or appealing for somebody to click on. So these are like a great starting point for giving you the topic idea, for including what the long tail keyword ID would be. In this one here, it would be virtual bridal shower. This one would be bridal shower games. So it's pulling in those important keywords, but you can obviously further optimize these keywords. Now, all you have to do is literally copy and paste this into your spreadsheet here. That's what I've already done. You can, if you wanted to, you could ask it for 100 more. It'll keep going. Some of them are obviously going to, at some point, start to get a little bit repetitive, but you could merge ideas together. You can go through this list and delete things that are not appealing to you or are not relevant to your business. But from here, you're just going to do that exact same thing with each of your keywords. So this time I'll swap bridal shower for baby shower. And it's going to do it again, optimized for my next major topic. I just think this is a really incredible little trick for a really incredible tool. And this is just one of those examples of something that ChatGPT is going to save you hours and hours and give you a resource for your business that, you could send this off to an employee, or you could hire somebody on Upwork to then take these ideas and turn them into blog posts. We'll talk more, of course, about how to create awesome blog posts with ChatGPT in future videos. But today, I just wanted to show you that really cool little trick. If you thought that was helpful and you want to learn more about using all of the new AI tools to advance your e-commerce business, be sure to hit that like button for me and hit subscribe so you can stay on the leading edge and outrun your competition. I'll talk to you soon.